Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video and I'm sure we all know what's happened in the last 24 hours, and if you don't, this is my first trip out, so you're going to come with me. And so this, guys, is what 24 hours of snow looks like. If you look here, it's actually a partially covered roof, and Jesus. So that, if you can't tell, is basically up to my chest. This, guys, is Midtown, St. Clair Avenue West. I'm slipping all over the place. It's I can't even tell how this, it's not inches, it's feet. This has been coming for 24 hours. It's calmed down now, and it is mental out here. I wanted to come out at lunchtime, but I had a big deadline today, so I've been working. It's about 8:30 now, and the first chance I got, I wanted to come out here because look at this shit. Look it out. Anyway. Jeez. Like, in the middle there of the street is usually where we have TTC trams running, but there's been nothing. I woke up at 6 AM and it was coming down, and by 8 AM it had just piled up, and it's been snowing non-stop, and it's just, I mean, it's still, you see the icicles hanging from the And I spoke to some of my colleagues and friends, and they were like, yeah, we don't get this in Toronto. So I wanted to come out for a quick walk, because I'm not going to not experience this kind of snowfall, you know. I don't know how many feet that would be. I think it's at least 2 feet of snow or something. So this path has been cleared, people walking, and there's been a few services, people with equipment and trucks clearing this, so that's been cleared, but otherwise it was all covered. Oh, it's cold, and the wind's cold. Check this out, getting deeper. Fucking hell. Oh shit, why did I do this? Look at that. Yeah, I'm struggling in this kind of snow. Wow. Alright, here we go. You can see what the intersection looks like there. And this is a main road, guys. People giving up, walking in the middle of the road. Don't blame them, gonna cross over. So this is the main road, St. Clair West Avenue, and this is the condition of it. Just imagine what the smaller roads look like. And there's just an insane amount of snow everywhere. And I think the worst part of it is tomorrow it's going to be like minus 15, so it's just going to freeze over and stay around. Look at this shit. Everywhere you look, I mean, this is a footpath that's been carved out, like I said before, so we're lucky. Oh crap, oh, that's ice. Just look at the state of this. This is a car. You would probably... What? I've got to take some pictures as I'm on my phone as I'm walking around. It's basically a big snowplow, Honda Civic. Oh man, don't underestimate the winter. Everyone was warning me, oh, winter this and winter that. And I was like, yeah. And October was fine, November, December was fine. January comes and bloody hell. And I've been sitting out of the window, working all day and watching this insanity. I've got to do this again because it's just so much fun doing this. My leg is gone. My whole leg was in there. What are we on? 7 minutes? Okay. Oh. So I'm actually trying to get to... Alright, I'm slipping around because this is the level of... Oh crap. This is going to be hilarious to watch back because I'm all over the place. Alright, that's better. Now I can walk straight again. God, this one's going to be in the memory books, but I wouldn't want to walk this tomorrow, you know, when it all turns to ice. It's going to be horrible. Yeah, my leg is now freezing from sticking in the snow, but I wanted to do that because it's fun. It's just fun, like, you just want to... It's all still soft powder. Jeez. Oh, slush. Oh, crikey. Some of the local places to eat and drink, which have obviously felt the impact of the virus and doing takeaway only and all sorts of stuff. Kind of sad. And then on top of that you get this kind of weather, no one comes out. I wanted to come out during the day, but I had so much work to do, I didn't take a break for lunch. Alright. Yep, it's covered. I'm gonna cross over when I can. Jesus. And to be honest, Young Street looks pretty bad as well. Oh, you can hear the wind. The main roads aren't too bad, but they weren't like that. They've just turned like that recently. I want to cross over without dropping them. Alright. Well.
There's somebody there, right?
Okay, so that's a bit better here. You can walk around without cracking your neck. Oh man. Quick video, guys, just a quick one. Alright guys, so McDonald's mission is complete. I was sent out by the missus to go get some food. Not really anywhere to walk. Jeez, I can't tell if I'm in the road or on the sidewalk. I don't know if I should wait or if I should cross. Everyone else is just, people are running. Oh, that's a bus, wow. Wow, so the buses are back out, which is a huge surprise. And we've got the walk, because I was just by the subway and all the subways cancelled. Okay, this is not too bad, it's walkable. Look at that. Definitely no going into that place tonight. Cheers, mate. And all these businesses are just snowed in. Oh, okay. I'm slipping. What's usually like a 2-minute walk in the snow is just absolutely mental. Looks pretty fucking dangerous though. I mean, is there any way to get into that building? Oh, you just want to jump in and make a snow angel in there. It's too perfect. Soft powder. Look at this. Insane. That's the side entrance to the building where I live. So they've been trying to keep it clean, and I mean, look at this. You're not getting in there tonight either. No chance. This is just right outside where we live, and it's just mental. I mean, I can't describe. This is literally coming up to my chest, and it's been alright guys, quick video where we live and the snowstorm that hit Toronto. More than 12 hours of straight snowfall and blizzards and wind, and I finally made it out after a long day of work. Had a bit of fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Whew.